everyone, I'm Anggi Nabilah, and in this video, I will explain about vowel sound in English, more specifically 19 vowel sound in English. I will divide them into two categories, monophthongs and diphthongs. So monophthongs or single vowel sounds is a pure vowel sound and where there is one vowel sound in a syllable. I will also narrow it down into three categories. The first category is when you say it, your mouth almost closed, such as E, E, C, C. There are many fish in the sea. There are many fish in the sea. I, I. Myth, myth. Climate change is not a myth. Climate change is not a myth. Put, put. Don't put the sugar into the water. Don't put the sugar into the water. Ooh, new. New. I like the new hairstyle. I like the new hairstyle. And the second category is when you say it, your mouth is in between closed and open, so your mouth is in the middle, such as eh, bread, bread. I eat bread every morning. I eat bread every morning. Could. She could help her kid. She could help her kid. Learn. There are many things to learn. There are many things to learn. Oh. Thought. She thought she could do it. She thought she could do it. And the last category is when you say it, your mouth is almost wide open, such as cat. Cats like to play. Cats like to play. Son. His son is really smart. His son is really smart. R. Start. I start to understand it. I start to understand it. Oh. Watch. So many shows to watch. So many shows to watch. So those are the vowel sounds in monophthongs. Now let's move on to diphthongs. A diphthong, also known as gliding vowel, is a combination of two monophthongs vowel sounds within the same syllable. I will also narrow it down into three categories. The first category is the vowel that ends with the sound, such as L. So in these vowels, there is a combination between e and L. Where is the girl? Where is the girl? Ear. In these vowels, there is combination between E or E. Here. It's really cold in here. It's really cold in here. And the next category is the vowel that ends with the E sound, such as I. So in this vowel, there is a combination between A and E or I. time, time. Don't waste the time, don't waste the time. A, a. In these vowels, there is a combination between e and e. A. Say, say. What do you say? What do you say? Oi, oi. In this vowel, there is combination between o and e. Oi, boy, boy. That boy likes to paint. That boy likes to paint. And the last category is the vowel that ends with the u sound, such as ow, ow. In this vowel, there is combination between a or a with u or oo. Down, down. Don't look down. Don't look down. Oh, oh. So in this vowel, there is combination between and oo. Oh, no, no. I know the secret. I know the secret. So those are the 19 vowel sounds in English. I hope this video helpful for you, and thank you for watching.